what's good? What's poppin'? What's happening? How y'all doing? I'm back today with another video. Oh, if you are a return subscriber, hi fam. And if you are new here, welcome to the family. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you have not already. Whew, child, I can't wait to slay. Lay and slay. Anyway, y'all, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. And I got energy. I got energy. You know what I'm saying? I love the beginning of the week because it's like, it's a new week. Okay, let's make last week better than this. Let's make this week better than last week. Let's make this week better than last week. Let's make today better than yesterday. And you know what I'm saying? Let's just have a better day. Okay? So of course you read the title already. In today's video, I'll be doing a tutorial on, you know, whatever you want to call these, okay? So I'm gonna shut up now. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you have not, okay? And if you have not watched my previous videos, go ahead and make that happen too. And if you don't follow me on my social media links, everything is in the description below. Okay, so the products that I will be using in this video is this, I'm assuming it's this fresh hair. I can't remember. The pack is in there. I'm not gonna get up and get it though, but this is some braid hair that I got from the hair store, $6.99 for three in a pack. I had got this like, was it like last week or 2 weeks ago or something like that? So it's just some hair that I got left over. These are the two, and this is the other one. So yeah, it was a 3-pack for $6.99. Of course, it's probably like expression. It's pre-stretched also. So of course, it's probably like expression or something. I got my brush. I got this brush. I don't know what you call this brush, but I use it to, you know, straighten my hair out the best way that I can. I got my wide tooth comb, because when it comes to these combs and this thick hair, a rat tail could never, but I got one anyway, okay? I got my got to be glue. So I got like really thick hair. Not only do I have like really thick hair, but I also got like whatever kind of hair you want to call it. I don't even know what kind of hair I got, y'all. Some days it's like real curly, extra coily. Some days it's like real knotty, and today it's like almost straight but not straight, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got my got to be glue. I usually use jam. I went to the store yesterday and forgot to get some, so I'm gonna use this. It works pretty good though. I used it for my last hairstyle. I'm gonna do a tutorial on that one too, but I used it for my last hairstyle and it held up pretty good. Even the edges was slayed and laid for at least a week, okay? And then I got my got to be glue spray. I'm starting to like this. So I've been using those two. I got some glue girl right here. I'm gonna just put it on like my scalp and stuff. And then I got this dang, I forgot what they call it, but it's like that water wave type of hair. It's the hair that you use when you do faux locks. So yeah, or goddess locks or whatever. So yeah, it's just a little piece of hair that I still have left over. We're gonna use that to do something cute. And yeah, so that's pretty much everything that I'm using in this video. Oh, it is the shake and go. The shake and go in the number 4. That's what kind of hair this is. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I'm using in this video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So I am finally finished. Whoo child. Whoo child. Cause baby, this was not easy, okay? It was not easy. But it's my first time trying this out. Like literally my very first time. So it is what it is. But I like it. I like the way I like it. But yeah, I really like it. I was gonna put these on here, but I was like, you know what? So I wish I already had some gold clips, but it is what it is. So go ahead and like this video, leave a comment if you want, and make sure you share with a friend. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're doing, how you watch this entire video and you haven't subscribed to this channel yet. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you have not watched my previous videos, make sure you make that happen. I do have a video coming soon, another majorette tutorial, because you gotta love the majors. I have another majorette tutorial coming up very soon. When I say very soon, I mean like tomorrow. It's supposed to be a beautiful week. It's a beautiful day. So yeah, I'm gonna be outside. Oh, but not. So like I said, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you don't follow me on my social media handles, make sure you make that happen. Drop down to the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you all. All right, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.